Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some amazing short hair transformations. So we start off with someone who has this dark copper colored hair, and she decided to switch it up with this pixie haircut. I am absolutely loving this hair transformation. The cut and the color is just so chic and refreshing. And speaking of refreshing, we see someone here with dark colored hair. She has a bob haircut. And she has decided to go lighter and brighter with this gorgeous sombre brown coloring. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. For our third transformation, we have someone here with very long hair. And bam, wow, beautiful pixie cut. I love the color, everything. This just looks so effortless and chic, so gorgeous. And then we see someone with shoulder length dark hair. And bam, another beautiful pixie switch up. Now this one features lots of texture. She can play around with the styling options, spike it upward, play around with some curls. Very nice. And this is kind of like that old school Peter Pan style pixie. Very 90s inspired for this one. So next up, we see someone else with the shoulder length blonde hair. Wow, looks like she's going pink or like a mauve kind of color. Oh, this is gorgeous. Another pixie style or mini bob variation with bangs in the front. Now we have the stylist here who is using these very interesting ties to do his cutting. And it looks like he's doing a bob haircut. I think that his method for cutting is very interesting. He kind of sections the hair off into ponytails to get more of an accurate cut. Very pretty. Nice swoop bangs in the front. Wow. She has got some beautiful hair. Lots of body within this asymmetrical pixie style. Very long bangs in the front with this one. This is an absolutely gorgeous haircut and right on trend with all of the asymmetrical style pixies that we're seeing this season. And then he's going to be adding in this hair clip to accessorize, showcasing a great styling option for the style. Very nice. This is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see a bob haircut. Oh, he's kind of doing like a shaggy bob style. And we're seeing a lot of shaggy bob, shaggy pixie variations. Going in with some color. Oh wow, look at the dimension in that coloring. This is absolutely beautiful. Kind of has a bit of a copper tone to it. Very pretty, wow. So much body and movement as well. Alright you guys, so I hope that you did enjoy checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.